On 24th April 2023, the chief executive members of the three autonomous district councils of Meghalaya in the Khasi, Jaintia and Garo Hills had met to discuss on issues concerning the central government's decision on implementing the Uniform Code of Conduct or UCC all across India. While addressing newspersons after the meeting, the CEM of the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council, Titos Tarwel Khan, informed that the major decision taken by all the three chiefs was to oppose the implementation of the UCC, as this would greatly affect the beliefs, customs, traditions, language and life of the indigenous people of the state, and also on the powers and functions of the district councils as per the 6th schedule of the Indian Constitution.
So we have a very cordial, successful meeting today. We have discussed some important issue, especially regarding the intention of the central government to introduce their bill of uniform civil code in the country. So we feel that UCC will directly have an impact on the powers and function of the Autonomous District Council, especially with our custom, our traditional practice, community as a whole. So we have unanimously decided that jointly we will pass a resolution that implementation of UCC in the 6th schedule area will be totally opposed. We will pass also a resolution in our respective council soon regarding this matter.
Further, the chief executive member of the KHADC had sought for the cooperation of the Jaintia and Garo Hills Autonomous District Councils for approval to the proposed enactment of the Village Development Council Bill so as to ensure that local administration established by the forefathers is not affected in any way.
So we would like that amendment of 6th schedule should be passed by the central government soon in the parliament, but there are some issues which are still pending regarding two issues, that is the implementation of village council in the scheduled area and unrepresented tribe. These are the two issues which are still pending, which needs to be elaborated more, to discuss more. So we have discussed this matter seriously. I would like to inform you that we have highlighted to our friends from Garo Hills and Jaintia Hills that in KHADC we have passed an act which called Village Development Council Bill. So we would like to see that even in this two council also, which they should pass this bill so that implementation of village council will no longer implement in our state, because we have our own traditional institution. Because according to this proposed amendment, the implementation of village council in our state will dilute the powers and function of our traditional institution. So we will not like to see that our traditional institution will go away. We would like to see them to remain with our traditional practice. So that's why we have decided that these matters will be discussed in the respective council soon. And they have also their own bill in the respective council, like Jaintia Hills and Garo Hills also. Maybe they will have more amendment, or they will pass this separate bill, which we call Village Development Council Bill.